Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Welcome back at RESTful API tutorials. In this tutorial, first of all, we have to learn how to install Node.js on Windows or Linux machine. So just open Google and type Node.js and you will have a first link. Click on this. This is the official website for Node.js. If you are a Windows user, then click on this version, that is a recommended stable version, and this is the current latest version. So mostly we have to install the stable version, but if you want to use the current latest version, you can also use it. Just simply in window, just download, click on this. It is a MSI file. Double click on this, and there is a very good formula on Windows to install any application. It's called double click, next, and finish. Automatically your software will be installed on that. But if you are a Linux user or Windows user, then simply click on download and go for your version, whatever the version on Linux or Win binary means Linux you want, 32-bit or 64-bit of Linux, or you want Mac OS or other source code you want, or you can go for installation by using package manager also. Click here, and if you are a Linux or Ubuntu user, you can go on package manager. Under this package manager, follow the instructions for installing. Suppose you are using Debian or a Ubuntu Linux, so simply you have to do this. If you want to install the version that is greater than 6 but stable one, means you want to install 8 version, then simply copy these two lines and paste on one by one on a terminal of Linux, and it will install version 8. Otherwise, if you want to install the current line version, you can install this also, or if you want some optional components and tools, then you can use this also for installing on Linux Ubuntu. Similarly, you can install on other version also, just like on you want to install on Fedora. So just follow these instructions for 8 version, copy this line all. Then if you want to install 9, then copy this line, or these are utility version. So if you want other version also of Linux or other version, just follow the instructions and install on your machine. It's very simple to install. After installation, whether you are on Linux or you are on Windows, just go to command prompt, and on command prompt just type node v. So it will display the current version of your node. If by using the node v it display the version, that means the node have been installed on your machine. It's very simple to install.